Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install TL smoothers on your machine. So this is the TL smoother. In simple words, it provides one-way path for current to flow from your mainboard to your stepper motors and prevent backflow of current from your stepper motors. If you are experiencing any kind of weird patterns on your print, then you might need to install this. Generally this comes in pack of 3. It comes with 3 of the TL smoothers and 3 of these connectors. So now let's install this on the machine. Now to install this on your machine, remove these 3 screws and be careful when you remove this cover. The fan would still be attached with your mainboard. So to install it, first unplug your stepper motors. I would suggest do it one by one to avoid confusion. It's already color coded and labeled, but still simply unplug your stepper motor wire and plug it in the remaining part of the TL smoother, and then plug the remaining end of the TL smoother to your main board where your cable was initially connected for stepper motor. Now repeat the process with the other stepper motor. Simply unplug from the main board and then plug it to the TL smoother. Plug the remaining end of your TL smoother to the main board. That's right. And then you can tuck away all the cables and put it back all together. As you can see, there is plenty of room on my Ender-3 to simply tuck away nicely, and then you can just simply put the fan back. Now you may have question about the extruder motor, but there's been a debate on the community that it's really not necessary for the stepper motor on Z-axis. So I haven't installed it on the Z-axis. If you have spare, you can install it, doesn't matter. And another question is, do you really need TL smoothers or not? So for comparison, this is the print I have printed on my stock Ender-3 without TL smoothers. And this is the print with TL smoother. Honestly speaking, I can see no difference. They both are identical. So I guess for my machine, I really don't need TL smoother, and it depends on machine to machine. If you are experiencing some weird patterns on your print, you may want to install it. If your print is fine, I would say just don't bother installing TL smoothers. If you have installed TL smoothers, please share your comments, concerns in the comment section below. Thank you.